How to make a poll on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make a poll on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make a poll on Instagram, all you have to do is, currently this thing is only possible to do on Instagram stories. So open up Instagram and then tap the plus icon over here and then just select a random photo or video from this case. So once you select a random photo or video over here, just select them. And now let's say you want to add a poll. All you have to do is just tap the sticker icon that you can see from the top right hand side, and you'll find the poll option. Now just in case you don't find it in the search box also, you can just go ahead and type in poll over here. As you do that, just select the poll option here, and now simply make sure to enter your question. And now you can simply also enter your details over here, which is whatever else the type of option you prefer. If you want to add another answer also, you can just do that and then just tap the done option. This way you'll be able to make a poll on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.